Hi there, I'm a beginner in Unreal Engine. Recently, I developed and published a Blueprint debugging plugin for Unreal Engine on the Fab Marketplace. In this video, I want to share that journey, honestly talking about what worked, what didn't, and how vibe coding helped and where it didn't. Since I was young, it's been my dream to make a strategy game based on Korean history. But it always felt too far out of reach. Game development seemed so complex and difficult that I didn't even dare to try. Eventually, I decided to take a beginner course on Unreal Engine and started prototyping my own historical strategy game. But once I got into it, I quickly realized how tough it was. The engine UI, the menus, the editor, just getting comfortable with the tools was overwhelming. And without fully understanding blueprints, I kept hitting walls whenever I tried to implement even basic features. I wondered, could generative AI help? So I tried tools like GPT and Cursor AI. But debugging blueprint event graphs was tough. Explaining visual structures in text form, copying logs, taking screenshots, it was all just too cumbersome. That's when I had the idea. Why not build a tool that makes this easier even for myself? And that's how I started developing a GPT-powered Blueprint debugging plugin tailored for beginners like me. The plugin I built is called GPT for Blueprint Debugging. It automatically extracts blueprint data nodes, pin connections, error logs in JSON format, and sends it to GPT with your prompt. That way, GPT can give more context-aware feedback. I developed most of it using Cursor AI, writing and refining the code almost entirely in natural language. Eventually, I registered the plugin on Fab and even marketed it myself. And I managed to get 2 paid purchases. For a beginner like me, vibe coding was honestly game-changing. Even without fully understanding the code, I could describe what I wanted, and the AI would propose a solution. That gave me a better understanding of how things work, and I could refine from there. I was surprised at how accessible even Unreal Engine's C plugin system became with AI help. But of course, there were real limitations. Since I lacked a deep understanding of blueprint logic, there were times when I couldn't fix bugs with AI help alone. When things didn't work after multiple edits, it became frustrating. And trying to market the plugin myself? It was hard to even get traffic or visibility. Everything felt so unfamiliar at first. But despite all that, I'm genuinely proud. This was my first completed tool, and knowing that someone actually used it is a feeling I can't even describe. Yes, the technology helped lower the barrier. But what mattered more was that I took the leap myself. I don't know if my plugin will be useful for many people. I still lack deep blueprint knowledge myself. Some have said relying on AI without building a strong foundation is lazy, and I do understand that. But as a beginner, the learning curve is real. And for me, experiments like this are necessary. I truly appreciate any feedback or thoughts. I really want to improve the plugin in a meaningful way. If you're curious, check out the link below. And feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments.